This is my cheat sheet. It's the culmination of some 20, 25 years of work of me trying to figure out the stock market and me for trying to figure out where should I put my money to make the most money over the next 2.5 years. What I've done is I'm presenting 39 stocks that are involved in the AI revolution, the semiconductor revolution, and I've then created an algorithm to project what their price is going to be on December the 31st, 2026. In other words, the start of 2027, because that's where I want to be in the next 3.5 years. And I've done that by basically analyzing the data of these 39 stocks and determining what is their PE ratio, what are their projected earnings, and what price will those two numbers support on January the 1st of 2027. What I've come up with is 8 stocks that are going to give a return, an average annual rate of return of over 62%. One of them as high as 194%. That's right. Now, the average of all 39 stocks is 43.71%. The high, as I say, is 194. The low is 10%. This I want to share with you. I want to make it available to you, and I want you to have access to it and study it as I change it. That's right. I attend earnings calls on these 49 stocks, and I find out what the CEOs and the CFOs are projecting the earnings to be in the future. So they will change. I know they will change. I also on here recognize that some of them are a little overpriced right now, and I share with you the price that I would suggest you buy them at when they come down to that price, and most of them will come down to that price in the very near future. What I want to do is make this available to you for free for 14 days. It's a free trial of our platinum level program with Best of Us Investors. You're going to go to bestofusinvestors.com. You're going to say sign up for the platinum level, which normally costs $60 a month, and you're going to have 14 days to study it as it is and as it will be over those 14 days, because I will make changes, because the data will change. This is all built on data that wasn't available when I was a financial advisor, data that has only recently become available, and data that will become more available in the near future. Tomorrow, I will be having a conversation with 7 people from Dell Computer. They are going to build me an AI machine that is going to carry numerous NVIDIA chips to help me make this even better, so that you can have even better information than what I'm going to share with you this week or over the next 2 weeks. So here's what you need to do if you want to be a part of this, because this is all about getting on the bus, and that's the Best of Us Investors bus. And if you get on, you'll be privy to this information, and you'll be locked in at the price of $60 a month after the 14 days of free looking and using of the information. Then from that point on, we'll have to see how much Dell's AI machine costs to determine what it's going to cost Kerry to take this to the next level. I am going to become as good as any hedge fund that you can pay 2 and 22. So that's where I'm going. The question is, where are you going? What I suggest you do is get on the bus for the next 14 days and then make your decision.